Imagine creating astonishing product images or videos using just a few words or simple photo. With SellerPic AI, that's now possible. This AI-powered tool lets you generate high-quality marketing visuals in seconds. No studio, no models, no editing skill required. Simply enter a prompt or upload an image, and SellerPic turns it into eye-catching content. Stop wasting time and money on traditional shots. Let AI handle these visuals. Okay, let's dive in SellerPic. Alright, this is the homepage of the Stellarpic. We can get access by click this button. And after that, we enter this dashboard of the Stellarpic, and we can see the main functionalities like a virtual try-on, swap fashion model, lip-sync video, image to video. And above all, we have this input called what do you want to create today. So basically, you can type what you want to create and then get the final results. SellerPic is not only can generate images but also videos for your product. This is the best tool I have ever seen for years for the e-commerce and small business owner. So the first one is for accessories. For example, if you are selling like the glasses or small items, you can use this one. So let's try the first one for instance. Let's click here. So when you click upload, you have three options. First is uploaded images and the device, and also from Shopify. So if you are running your business on Shopify, you can directly upload the image from it. But for me, let's upload from my device. This is the image I just generated by AI. So let's see if we can make it into real world. You might notice that on our right, we have several images already. If you not like the models, you can click the custom and upload your own models. But for me, I would like to use a preset. So maybe this model. If you're not satisfied with all the preset model, you can click here to view all models. You can see it's all the models for the necklace. So let's choose this one and click the generate. All right, what we have here, let's click the preview. All you need to do is open SellerPic and generate images freely. Wow, amazing. And the product even not existed. What if I want to make it into video? Can we even do that? Of course you can. Click this button. And here we have all the way to present our necklace. For example, like this one, or maybe this one. Which one is your favorite? I like this one, so let's go with this and click the generate. Alright, since we generated our image, how to download it? You can click here to download your image. And when you click here, you find you have three options, JPEG and PNG, also WebP. Well, you can download the UHD. UHD meaning the ultimate higher. UHD meaning the ultimate high resolution of the image, which about the 4K. Oh, here we are. I got goosebumps. Check out the quality and check out the texture of the skin, and you can even touch the necklace. But remember, this necklace never existed. This is amazing, right? And imagine if you're browsing on internet, you find this nice image. You have the motivation and to purchase it. And click the image to video, totally then you can convert your image into a vivid video. So you don't need to actually purchase your product now. You can use SellerPic to generate a video that really convincing, right? So for video, we also have three options like MP4, like GIF, and WebP. For me, I choose MP4. So from an idea, we generate an image with our virtual necklace. Then we convert it into amazing video. That's unbelievable, right? Hey, after we generate a never existed necklace, now let's move to t-shirt, okay? And let's upload another image that I just generated by AI. This fake t-shirt is my idea about produce a t-shirt for my channel, and this is my name, James G, right? So you can take a photo of you and becomes your model every time. You can use the image repeatedly. So for now, let's click the select from model library. Wow, we have so many models and they are quite different, so it's easier for you to pick the perfect one for you, right? So usually the t-shirts goes with a male characters, right? So maybe let's try this young woman. Let's click this model and click conform. So the purple area is where the t-shirts goes, and you can change by click this adjust the try-on area. What are we waiting for? Let's click the generate. Alright, what we have here, we have a lady with our t-shirts. Remember the details. Before SellerPic, I already tried many other AI platforms with virtual try-on feature, right? But no one can do what SellerPic can do because actually you keep the details of the t-shirts. And the key is make believe, right? And if you find anything is not quite there, you can also click here, edit. So here you have many options. For example, like the background replacer. So when you click here, and you find your background is gone. So now you can click the one of the background, or you can type your prompt to generate a background. And you can click the generate. Hey, we're in the bedroom of this girl, right? And also you have the background remover, where you can easily remove the background. And also image retouch. You can use a brush or lasso tool to tell AI certain portions that you want to tweak. For example, here, and click the generate. Now you have the watch, right? And also you have image extender. For example, if you want to make it to eBay platform or Amazon or Shopify or Wish, any platform you name it, like Temu, you can simply click here. And then we found that the size is not enough, right? No worries, just click the generate. See, now we have a perfect size for the certain platform. That's crazy, right? And then you have the image enhancer. In fact, you can put your image to 2K or 4K, anything you name it. And not to mention, we have a color changer. You can easily select a certain portion and change the color. And the magic eraser, yeah, that's crazy. You can easily remove certain stuff. Hey, can we make this girl talking? Yes, we can. How to do that? Go back to SellerPic and find the Lipsync video. Let's click here and click the upload and choose the device. And here you can whether use a text script or upload audio. And when you click here, you can preview the voice.
Ini hanyalah sekotak susu.
And what I loved about the SellerPic's voice, because it's not only contains with the English accent. In fact, it have a different accent. For example, like the Indonesian.
Di mata orang lain, ini hanyalah sekotak.
Lo sadar nggak sih kalau teknologi itu udah...
So if you want to occupy the Indonesian markets, you can use this one.
A man sees in the world what he cares.
And here, let's type. Okay, let's click the generate.
Follow James' YouTube channel. You can get this nice t-shirt, baby.
Alright, we successfully generated videos and images about our products, which is crazy, right? Not only like that, you can also swap the model, and also you can generate video by images. Not to mention, you can generate a product in hand, which is really common in the detail page of the e-commerce platform, right? Hey, what are you thinking? We also have the product spotlight and the lifestyle thing for your product, which is amazing. So if you are in the e-commerce business, please try this SellerPic. Oh, one more thing, you can generate it image by typing the prompt in here, and also you can upload your image and make it modified or adjust a few items, so you can get rid of the Photoshop, right? SellerPic is a new Photoshop for e-commerce people, and I also have a gift for you. Comment SellerPic.ai in the comment section. I will send you the link of the product, and also you can free credits. So you don't forget to check out the discounts for free and also free credits. Alright, so much for today. I hope you like it. I'm your host James. Don't forget to follow my channel, and I will see you on the next one. Bye bye. Congratulations on watching to the end. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. You won't miss out on more great contents. I will see you on the next episode. Bye bye.